So, Prospan syrup, which is widely used to treat productive cough. It is made from ivy leaf extract and is widely available everywhere.
It is basically used for productive cough, means it is only used for wet cough, not for dry cough. It is Prospan syrup for children. Always confirm with a doctor based on age and weight. 1 to 5 years, 2.5 ml twice daily. 6 to 11 years, 5 ml twice daily. 12 years and above, 5 ml 3 times daily. For adults, 5 to 7.5 ml 3 times daily. Maximum up to 22.5 ml per day. Important notes: shake well before use. Don't give to children less than 1 year of age. Give for 1 week, even symptoms improve.